Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Facebook app on your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. First you have to open up your any browser and here in the Google search box just type the Facebook and hit the enter. So now you can open up the first website which is the facebook.com. So once this website was open, now here click on the three dot option you are seeing and go to the save and share. Here you will find the option of the install Facebook, so you can just click on that. And if you don't find the install option, you will also see the option of install Facebook on the top, so you can just click on the install. Then the Facebook will start installing into your PC and it will open up like this. And now here you can simply log into your account and start using your Facebook. And the shortcut of the Facebook was also added to your desktop, so you can just simply close it and you will see the Facebook shortcut was also created. And guys, this is how you can download and install the Facebook app on your PC or laptop. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.